Hey loves, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money using Google News and Opera Mini News. On this channel, we'll talk about everything passive income, social media management, and how to make money on the online space in 2023 and beyond. Now, if this is something you're interested in, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let's get right into this video. People swear that AI is there to take our jobs, but I'm telling you the truth, you can make AI work for you. AI is simply artificial intelligence, which means that someone and a human being puts that intelligence into that AI. So the AI is not an island of knowledge. So you as a human being can make AI work for you. And as a copywriter myself, I can tell you that when you use AI to write a copy and when a human being writes it, there's going to be like a difference. That human touch feeling will always be absent in an AI written content. So in 2023, you need not be scared. You can make AI work for you even when you're not a writer. You don't even need to have any writing experience for you to make money through writing. So AI tools that I'm talking about are ClickUp, Spinbox, Rewriter, Free Spinner, Copy.ai. All these are AI tools that you can make work for you and create a copy, an authentic copy, free of plagiarism in 2023 and make money from it. There are thousands of AI tools, but what you actually need is a paraphrasing, plagiarism, and grammar checker. So what do Google News and Opera News have to do with all of this? So enough talking. I don't want to talk too much. Let me just show you how you can create original content using Google News and Opera Mini News and make money from it in 2023. Let me show you the illustration. First and foremost, go onto Google and type in Google News. Now, if you don't know what Google News is, Google News is a platform where you can read authentic news every day based on your location and where you are located at. It's going to bring the daily news to your doorstep. So people often come here to read the daily news. So there are a bunch of news on this platform and different articles. Every day people come here to read content. So now we're going to click on Google News and it will take us directly into this space. Now you see that there are different articles on world, local, business, technology, entertainment, sports, and health. So it means that you can easily get any article you want based on what you're searching for. So for the purpose of this video, I'll be clicking on health, and when I click on health, it will bring me to this page. When you scroll down, you're going to see various articles on health. There are articles on medication, healthcare, mental health, nutrition, and fitness. So you can easily get what exactly you want on health. So I'll click on mental health. So it's going to show me various articles on mental health, and these articles are very recent and a few hours ago. And so I will just scroll down to see other articles. Then I'll pick this particular one that talks about 6 things you don't realize you do because you have high functioning anxiety. So this is an article on mental health and it is very recent. So I'm just going to try and copy out every single text and every single written item on this article, and then I will go to my notepad and I will paste it there. So why I copy it on my notepad first is because sometimes some articles are not copy enabled. That means you cannot copy and paste the items easily. So now on my notepad, I will copy the article again. So I will copy every single text again. Then I'll prepare to go onto my AI tool so that I can paste it there. We will be using Spinbot. So now I'm going to paste what I copied from my notepad here, and I'm just going to edit out some text that I don't want it to show. Then I'll click on basic spin and then wait for it to paraphrase for me. Now it has paraphrased all the article for me, and I have an entirely new article. It's saying the same thing but in different words, and you cannot relate that it was copied from the same place. So what I need to do next is to copy the paraphrased article. So the article that is the original content now, I will just copy it and go onto Grammarly and use my Grammarly plagiarism checker, because we don't want anything to be plagiarized and maybe our article will get flagged down. So now it's going to scan for plagiarism and I'm waiting to see the result. The result is out and it said we didn't find any plagiarism, but we found 37 writing issues. So writing issues can be grammatical issues and just things that you can correct later on your own. But as per plagiarism, there is no plagiarism, and the Spinbot has clearly helped me to generate an entirely new article out of what I copied from Google News. So now we have our article. So now you've seen the illustration. After copying those contents, you don't want to just use it like that, because you can get a plagiarism marker and people are going to see that, oh, you copied from somewhere, and they can even sanction you, and if you may have to pay a fine. So we don't want any of that. So after copying and paraphrasing, you need to check the grammar, you need to check for plagiarism. There are a lot of plagiarism checkers. Some are free while some aren't free. I'm going to put some of the plagiarism checkers in the description box so that you can use them to check the plagiarism of your item before you actually post or present that article as your own. After doing all the paraphrasing and editing, next thing you want to do is to submit your article to a website. Now you've turned a different copy into an original content, but that is not where it ends. You need to present your work to a website that is going to pay you. All of them are going to pay you nothing less than $50 and more for an article. So any article you're submitting, according, some of them request for 600 to 1000 words, some of them are from 600 to 800 words. They're just going to tell you what their specifics are and what you should submit to them. So let's go check out this website. So the first website that will help you make money in 2023 is Writer Access. So Writer Access is a platform for freelancers to make more money than they work. So you're basically earning more than you have to put in the work. So you click on freelancer apply. You're going to have a LinkedIn account for you to do this. So if you don't have a LinkedIn account, you can't create an account with Writers Access. So when you have registered, you can start searching for jobs and look for articles that you have an idea on and you can write. So the next website is ProBlogger. ProBlogger is like a blogging app where you can write on different topics and then you get paid. So now I'm going to go into ProBlogger and I'm going to click on jobs. So when I click on jobs, you're going to see that we have active jobs. We have about 22,000 people on this platform. We have 115 active jobs and we have 8,207 of completed assignments. So also they have things you can write on. They have content writer for health and wellness startup, and they have travel and entertainment content writer needed. So there are different niche that you can write on as a blogger here. So remember that we copied something based on health and wellness. So when you come here, you can click on that and then you can start going through the rules and regulation. So here they talked about payment and I said writers will be compensated on per word basis. The rate will be discussed individually with each writer, taking into consideration their experiences and the complete of their assigned tasks. So if you're able to complete your task, you'll be paid and you are going to be paid per word basis. Also, here they talked about plagiarism and how it is strictly prohibited. They said plagiarism is strictly prohibited. All articles will be checked for originality using plagiarism detection software. If any writer is found to have plagiarized content, their services will be terminated immediately. This is a long-term opportunity for the best candidate who consistently deliver high quality work. So yeah, they've told you the rules, so they don't accept any plagiarized content. So if after reading that you still want to go ahead, you can click on the apply here and then it will bring you to this interface where you'll be asked to fill in some information about yourself, such as your country and a cover letter. So a cover letter will help you tell them why they should take you for the job or why you are qualified for a job. So the next website is Skyward. Skyward is a freelance platform for creatives. So if you're a creative, this is a place for you. And then you can click on freelance with Skyward, and I want to become a freelancer. You click on it. So it brings you here. You can see that there are other opportunity for other creatives such as videographer, photographer, and designer. But we want to be a writer, so we are going to click writer. So when you click on the writer, it's going to take you to an interface where you are going to create an account as a writer on their platform. So this account creation site is going to ask you for your email, your password, and your confirmation password so that you can register fully and become like a signed in member using their website. Also, you're going to have to make sure that they want to make sure that you're not a robot. So you're going to click on that I am not a robot I'm not a robot box, and then they've certified you aren't a robot, and then you can join exclusively, and you can add one word for as much as $700, because if you're charging per word and your per word one word is like $1, that means that when you write 500 words, that means you're earning $500. That is a lot of money. So I don't know why you are still sitting back and letting this information pass you by, because this is an opportunity of a lifetime. You can go into this on your own without the help of anyone. So my all-time fave is Upwork. So Upwork is a platform I discussed on my social media management with no experience. So if you haven't watched that video, I'm going to put the link on the screen above so you can easily access it. So on Upwork, you just have to choose like a category of job that you're looking for. So you can choose content writer, social media manager, UX designer, UI designer, product designer, and you can just see what jobs are open for you. So but here I clicked on writer, content writer, and things like that. And here you can see that this person has made a lot of money. She earns about $65 per hour, and she has been making money for a long time on this platform, that she's one of the trusted people that can carry out a job for you. So what are you waiting for? So I've listed the website, how to get your copy, and also you can write original content. Writing original content, there is nothing wrong with that. You can write your own original content, check for your grammar check using Grammarly and other apps like that, and other websites that provide those services, and you're on your way to making money. You don't have to be a writer. That is the beauty of all of this. Now, if you're interested in seeing more video like this, you know what to do. Subscribe, like, comment, share, so I can keep making more videos like this. Until next time, I love you guys. Bye. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride. Hold you for life.